simple microscope. Simple microscope or a magnifier. By using the convex lens, biconvex lens, the images, teeny objects or small objects can be seen magnified, means larger side, by using the magnifier or magnifying lens, that is called as a simple microscope. It consists of converging lens is called convex lens, biconvex lens by using the biconvex lens of short focal length, which is having the 2 to 5 centimeters of short focal length, which can be magnified the image, the object image, that magnifies the 20 times than the object. So here the simple microscope consisting of convex lens or converging lens of small focal length or short focal length, when the object is seen through a simple microscope kept just inside the focal point of the lens, just inside the focal point of the lens, when viewed from the other side, then here we can see the virtual object, that is erect virtual magnified image, the image for the object, means when the object is placed before the focal lens of the, before the lens, between the focal lens and optical center, consider between them, whenever we apply, then we can get the magnified virtual erect image in the side of the object. In the side of the object, enlarged image can be seen. So angular magnification means whenever we see with the naked eye, then we can get the magnified whenever object is, the visual angle will be alpha, means the angle, visual angle is its visual angle is alpha, visual angle is alpha. Whenever we see the object directly, the object made an angle with the eye is a visual angle of eye, means angle subtended by the object with the eye is called a visual angle of eye. Whenever we see this, when visual angle of eye, this one is a alpha. In case of angular magnification, means the magnification means the ratio of the image details by the object details, means either height or the distances. Here the angle, the ratio of the angle subtended by the angular magnification means the angle, the ratio of the angle subtended by the image to the angle subtended by the object when placed at a near point, means when the eye taken to the near to the lens, then image can be seen equal to its distant object, means near to UE. So the distant object, by taking this, consider the AB is placed at a distance of UE, means AB, this is the object placed at a distance of UE from the eye lens, from the eye lens. Then which is having the eye lens focal length is FE, which is less than the distance of the object, which is greater than the distance of the object, means focal length is greater than the object, its distance of the object. Then A dash B dash is the virtual image, this is the virtual image of the object, virtual erect image of the object. If the image is formed at near point of the eye, near point of the eye means this is the near point of the eye, D is the near point of the eye, then the image is also formed at a near point of the eye, means here the near point of the eye. Then here m is equal to beta by alpha with the angular magnification, which is having that the beta is the angle subtended by the image with the eye, and the alpha means angle subtended by the object with the eye. So that's why from this beta is equal to the angle also subtended with this one, that will be beta. So that's why we are taking that AB by UE, when the eye taken to the near to the lens, then the which is image is formed to the near point, means near point, which is equal to this one angular subtended angle, this one means here UE. So that's why we are writing that the angle subtended by the image is beta. So that's why here the beta is equal to AB, this is the tangential, angles are very small, so that's why we are taking that tangents, that AB opposite by adjacent UE by When we see with the naked eye, then the object is placed at the distant division near point. Distant division is D. That is alpha. So that's why we are taking that. It's a tangent AB by D. Means here the AB by D at the alpha. So here the AB by D. That is equal to, by cancelling the AB, then we can get that D by UE with the angular magnification. Angular magnification. Once again, when by taking the convex lens or converging lens, the simple microscope, by teeny objects can see in the larger size of image, then the image will be the virtual and erect image will be formed in the side of the object, in this simple microscope, that which is having the lens, convex lens are having the least focal length 2 to 5 centimeters, which can be magnify the image into 20 times than the object. Here is that when the object is seen through a lens, simple microscope, when it is kept in the just side is the focal length of the lens, when viewed from the other side, then the image is erect and virtual enlarged image can be seen. So that's why its angular magnification is angle subtended by the image beta by angle subtended by the object when placed at the near point alpha. Means when the eye is taken to the near to the lens, and the eye taken to the near to the lens, then what the object, then we can see that the angle made by this means near point to the eye is equal to focal length. So here it is that consider AB is placed, AB is the object is placed at a distance of UE from the eye lens, then here is that the focal length will be FE focal length is more than the distance of the object, and A dash B dash be the virtual image of the object is formed. If the image is formed at the near point of the eye, then that MB is equal to beta by alpha. Tangents we are taking because of angles are very small, so that's why AB by UE tangent. For that, AB by UE means AB is the opposite by adjacent, and for the beta angle, and here alpha angle will be that AB by D, that is the alpha with the angle. Then by cancelling the same terms in the numerator and denominator, we can get that D by UE be the equation for the magnification. There are two cases can be possible when the image is formed at the infinity, and the final image formed at some of the near point. Means when the image is formed at the infinity and can be image formed at the near point. There is some two cases can be possible. Let's see. These are the two cases. There are two possible cases are there when the image is formed at infinity. Image is formed at infinity. Means if image is formed at infinity, then the distance will be V is equal to infinity. Means that is V is equal to infinity when the image is formed at infinity, when the object is placed at the principal focus. Earlier we have discussed about that whenever the image formation of image. Earlier videos we discussed about that formation of image due to refraction by the lens. Then when the image is formed at infinity, when the object is placed at a focus, which is equal to the distance of image will be equal to the focal length. So that's why M is equal to D by U is we have the equation UE is equal to FE. This will be when the image is formed at the infinity. When the image is formed at the infinity. If the image is formed, final image is formed at a near point, when the eye taken to the near to the lens, then the image is formed at the near point. So when near point, which is equal to V is equal to D distance, with whenever the normal distinct vision D near point will be equal to the image is also formed at the near point. So that's why V is equal to minus D because of when the distance the distance can be taken from the optical center to according to sign convention, then the distance D will be the opposite direction to the incident ray. So that's why we have taken that minus D, V is equal to minus D, and U is also object side, means the image is formed in the object side. That's why here U is equal to minus UE. From that lens formula we have that 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Then from that V is equal to minus D and U is equal to minus UE is equal to 1 by FE. So multiplying on both with d on both sides, so we can get that m is equal to, this one is the, by calculating that one, then d by minus d plus d by ue, that is equal to d by fe. From this, by cancelling 1 plus d by ue, that is equal to minus 1 plus d by ue, that is d by fe. By taking minus 1 this side, then we can get that d by ue is equal to d by fe, 1 plus d by fe. We know that is m is equal to d by ue. So from that relation, m is equal to 1 plus d by fe we can get. This is the equation for when the final image formed at a near point. If the eye is taken, sum of the distance, if that there is a distance between the lens to the eye, means here is the lens, here we are watching, then sum of the distance is a is equal to, then the magnification will be when some distance a between eye and lens, then that will be magnification m is equal to, then the total value becomes d minus a. So that's why 1 plus d minus a by fe be the equation for magnification when sum of the distance between the eye to the lens, then 1 plus d minus a by fe, it's a focal length of the vision. Then obviously when the equation m is equal to 1 plus d by fe, from that relation we can write that in the formula m, put the value for the least distance, put the value d is equal to 25 centimeter. Without applying any sign, we should add a d is equal to 25 centimeter in this formula. In this formula, d is equal to 25 centimeters without applying any sign. Okay, this is about a simple microscope or a magnifier. You can write in public examination also if you get the question. This is also one of the important question in public examination.